Hello guys, itong Pioneer nito is high-end to. Ang made nito is TVH P6050UB. So kagandahan nito guys, sobrang ganda nito yung specs nito DVD pa siya, tapos CD, auxiliary, USB. Yung volume niya hanggang 62. So tatlong pre-out po ito. Tatlong pre-out at sa dalawang video. Ito yung ang USB nito is nasa nasa likod. Yung front rear sub. So thank you guys for watching. So kagandahan daw ito. Maganda yung hatching niya.